Okay, so we knew this was a conversation we were going to have at some point. How's the bike? So the electrics were playing me a merry old dance. The bike wasn't starting and I was a bit worried. There was at one point when I went to the memorial at Fleur that I thought I'd be coming home in a van because I just couldn't get the bike started. It's been a little bit hesitant to start occasionally with an electrical fault, I thought, but I managed to bump start it after about 25 minutes and took her up to Marie Motors just to the north of Caen, where a very nice chap called Alain plugged her in. He said it's not the clutch switch, it's not the kickstand switch, it is actually the starter switch which has failed. Again, I had it already replaced under warranty a couple of years ago, but listen, at least we know what it is. The other thing is the headlight. I changed the bulb a couple of years ago when I was up in the Lake District, and the housing's actually, I think, made of cheese, Italian gorgonzola, but so that's failed in two places, and I'm going to need to replace the whole headlight unit. But we do actually need to talk about tyres, because I've had the Michelin Road Classics fitted about 700 or 800 miles ago before I came on this trip, to replace the standard OEM Dunlops, I think they are. The Dunlops were great, and I had those on for 7,500 miles. These Road Classics, I don't know, they're okay in the dry, although they feel really hard, like the sidewalls are hard, almost like they're too overinflated, which they're not. I've checked them a couple of times. But in the wet, I don't know, they're really squirrely. Any imperfections in the road, it squirms on. That rubber stuff you get in the road, it doesn't like that. I don't know if it's something with the French road markings, but pedestrian crossings, it actually slips quite a bit. And I can't believe the French would be putting down ice or diesel on their pedestrian crossings. Not great. I've never thought about rejecting tyres in the past, but I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to put a message out to Michelin, see what they say about it, because they don't feel right. They don't inspire me with confidence, and they're a bit scary actually.